Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you how you can list your business in this website, the home repairs.com. So this is a website URL. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 39, and according to the similar web, this website having around 261 monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from the USA. Okay, so now we can start. I can show you how you can create your profile in this website. So simply you can click on the sign up button. Then you can fill your all details like your name. So James Bolden. Then you can put your email. Then you guys will choose your password. And after you can select the anything. Then after you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Click on the register button. So your account is successfully created. Now we can go into list our businesses here. So you can see this button add listing. You can click on this, then you can close the ads, and you can see there is a free plan. You can select the free plan. So you can choose your business category from there. So let's see, jobs. There you guys will put your title. So let me use this title. So Joma AI powered video interviewing software. So I'm going to use this title. So there I included my brand name and the targeted keyword and the some hook word as well. Here you can add your short description. So I can going to use short description is this. This would be the good for the short description. And okay, so there you can only add 150 characters short description. So let me use this. Then after there you can add your long form description. So I can going to use this. Include profile with a listing, so you can avoid your profiles features, military discount available, open Sundays at student discount, and the senior discount available. Organization is Jobma, so there you can add your brand name. And after you can add your location, so Minnesota. And then after you can add your address, then you can choose your select your city. Yeah, Mintonica. Then you guys will put your postal code, and after you can add your open and the closing hours. There you can add the contact numbers. Here you can add the your email address, which email you want to display for the business purpose. So we can going to use the sales@joma.com. Here you can add your all social media channels, your Twitter, your Instagram. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. And if you wanting to attach any kind of PDF, so you can also able to add attach image, PDF from there. And once you guys will complete the things, then you can see the media as a draft. So there we can going to upload our business logo. And once you guys will complete all the things, so you can see there is a submit listing button. You can click on this. Then after you can click on the return to my account page. Click on the listing button. You can see click on the listing buttons. So you can see this is our listing. You can click on this title. So this is our listing landing page URL. So you can see this is the title, brand name, the address, contact, all social media channels, the contact number. This is the description. So we listed all the things, and I can also show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can say this is a instant approved backlink. So overall, this is the process. So how you can create your business listing backlink on the home repairs.com. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something for this. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.